Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. So recently I posted a video of how I did my repotting of my aloe vera plants, and some people asked how I made these plastic containers. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made it with these different bottles and containers basically. Please, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video. Please help me get to my full monetization threshold. Guys, with one of the ways I'm going to show you guys, remember this is the season of traveling, so we want to travel for the holidays. I'm going to show you guys one of them that is going to help you to be able to leave your plants rest assured that they are going to be watered. So keep watching to learn that amazing trick, and without further ado, let's get into this video.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
And guys, that's it for this video. For this one, you just have to turn it upside down on the plant, and you can easily leave it for days, and you are rest assured that your plant is going to be watered from time to time. So that's basically what the cotton swab is for. It can help you go on your travel during this Christmas season and enjoy yourself, knowing fully well that your plants are okay. So you guys can see how everything turned out. I love it. Knowing fully well that I'm an eco-friendly, sustainable person, anything that can be recycled into something else is what I live for. And my planting journey has helped me realize so many things that can be recycled, reused, repurposed. And yes, these containers are no exemption. And guys, like I said, if you want to travel, you can use this method and use a bottle depending on how large or small your plant is, and your plant is good to go. Like you can travel and your plant is safe, secure, alive, basically. Please, guys, if you try this out, tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I'll be ready to showcase your work with all my green followers. And here on YouTube as well, I'll share your work with everybody. Please subscribe to the channel. Please help me get to my full monetization threshold so that I can get amazing, gadgets, tools to make amazing projects for this channel. I wish you safe travels wherever you go. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.